Hello, smart investors. Today, I have 3 questions for you. Number 1, what is your retirement plan? Number 2, what plan do you have to generate income and good money for you annually? And number 3, are you putting your idle funds to work, making good return on your investment? I present to you Poultry Cluster Estate. As the managing director of Akinox Global International Ltd, we have put in place world-class infrastructure here. Experienced staff and vet doctor, solar power for 24 hours light, borehole, hostel accommodation for staff, penthouse with battery cage, brooding house, feeds and drugs. Every day, millions of Nigeria consume egg. Egg is the most consumed source of protein. Currently, the production is not enough to meet the demand for eggs. Imagine 50 million Nigerians eat egg every day. That means 50 million eggs are needed. Multiplied by the cost of one egg, which is like 200 naira. Calculate the profit right now. That is 10 billion naira every day. There are 2 major ways you can invest in poultry farming through Akinox Global International. You can buy through our Poultry Vest cooperative channel, or you can buy through Poultry Cluster Estate, where you own the land and will manage the entire process for you. A plot of 250 square meters with 600 birds sells for 5,840,000 naira. And annual return is 8.5 million naira. A plot of 500 square meters with 1,200 birds, an annual return is 60 million naira. We have payment plans available for you. Your ROI start counting when your payment is completed. Invest with Akinox Global International today and become an agricultural giant with us, where you'll be earning huge return on your investment annually from the sale of egg like this and poultry products.